I'm going to make some soundproofing. It's going to keep my neighbours happy, and it's going to have a little less echo for my viewers on YouTube. If you want to save a few dollars at your hardware store, look for pieces that aren't quite right. Maybe they've got a bit of a twist, you can always haggle the price. The sound deadening material is going to be standard sized towels. They didn't have any white ones. I kind of like these darker colour that gives me some contrast on the walls. What I'm going to do is just make a simple box frame. You don't need a drop saw, use a hand saw. And they're going to be about 10 centimeters, 15 centimeters shorter than an actual towel. So I can fold it over and nail it down. I'm going to be using this box jig that I made in the previous video. I'll leave a link in the description. Thought I could get away with not pre-drilling the second piece. Gave me a bit of a split in all the timber. I made quite a lot of these and I didn't have any issues with it. If you have a bit of a split, it's fine. We're going to be nailing or pinning the material to the frame. That's really going to keep it strong. It took me about an hour to make 3 of these, and they came in at about $4.50 each. This next step is really important. Safety first. This could be dangerous. I only ironed the first towel thinking that it would actually help. Doesn't really make a difference. As soon as you start pulling these tight around the frame, you're not going to get any creases, so I really wanted to do this quickly before the missus found out. If you've got Hulk hands, you can go ahead and use a manually operated stapler. I'm just going to use the 2-in-1 nailer through the air compressor. Certainly makes it a lot easier. Another alternative would just be to use flathead nails and a hammer. For 2 sides, all you really need to do is nail it down. You're not really looking to get a super tight fit. Once that's done, you come around the other side and try and pull it as tight as you can. The reason we're making a box frame and not just pinning a towel to the wall is you need an air gap. Whatever sound does pass through this towel, it's going to reflect off the wall and hit back the towel on the other side. So it's imperative that you get this really nice and tight and you use a wide frame. I did get this idea off a British YouTuber, sort of like a DIY guy. He did quite a few experiments with all these different materials and found that towels were actually the best, especially for the price. So don't go and buy this professional sound deadening equipment unless you've got a studio or something. For the most part, a towel is going to work fine. I did double up just one of these, thinking it's going to make more of a difference. I didn't find that it did. So I think one layer is absolutely fine, just makes them heavier and you're using more material, which is costing more money. Hello, yo. Unfortunately, a garage is 4 square walls and a concrete floor. So I'm going to have to rearrange these a little differently, maybe make some more, put some on the ceiling, just to reduce the echo in my videos especially. Being so light, I was able to get away with a few of those little stick-on hooks that go on the wall that you can remove without leaving any marks. Anyway guys, about an hour, under $5. Thanks for watching.